The Earthquake Victory Rear Tine Tiller has ample power to bust through stubborn sod while offering innovative features that make it a dream to handle. A powerful Viper engine offers enough power to till in nearly any condition. The self-propelled 13-inch tractor-style wheels pull the tiller forward, requiring little effort from the user. When transporting, the wheels can be released with a pin to allow them to spin freely. The counter-rotating heavy-duty tines turn compact soil into a beautifully cultivated seedbed in a single pass. Operation is so smooth, tilling can be done with a single hand to keep pesky footprints out of your seed beds. When working in a fenced garden and around delicate plants, simply pull the instant reverse to back up the tiller. To begin tilling again, just release the instant reverse handle. With a 16-inch tilling width, the Victory fits nicely in between rows while quickly conquering large open spaces. The drag stake allows the tilling depth to be adjusted up to 10 inches deep. With a 5-year limited warranty, you can be assured that your tiller will continue to perform for many years to come.